Welcome to Slip and Sleep, where we help you drift into deep, peaceful slumber. Tonight, let go of all your worries and allow yourself to be gently carried into a world of serenity. Together, we will explore the peaceful shores of a quiet riverbank under a starry sky where time moves slowly and your mind can finally rest. Close your eyes, breathe deeply, and join us on this tranquil journey along the dreamy riverbank. The journey begins as the day comes to an end. Imagine yourself standing at the edge of a peaceful riverbank as the last rays of the sun stretch across the horizon. The sky is a canvas of soft colors, pale pinks, gentle purples, and soft oranges that blend together like watercolors. The warmth of the setting sun touches your skin tone lightly, like a soft, comforting hug. The river before you is calm, its surface smooth and mirror-like. It reflects the colors of the sky so perfectly that it's almost as if there are two sunsets, one above and one below. The gentle current creates soft ripples that shimmer in the fading light, making the entire scene feel like a dream. You take a deep breath, filling your lungs with the crisp, fresh evening air. It smells of wildflowers, pine trees, and the distant scent of the river's cool water. As you exhale slowly, you feel all the stress from your day begin to melt away, like the last light of the sun disappearing over the horizon. The world around you feels alive, but peaceful. Birds are making their final calls of the day, their songs drifting lazily on the evening breeze. The leaves of the trees along the riverbank rustle softly, moved gently by the wind. Everything feels soft, quiet, and slow. You're standing on soft grass that cushions your feet with every step. It feels cool, damp from the moisture in the air, and somehow it makes you feel grounded, connected to the peaceful world around you. You begin walking slowly along the riverbank, each step taking you further away from the busyness of the day and closer to a state of calm. A world of peace, quiet, and serenity. As the light of the day fades completely, the sky above you becomes a deep, velvety blue. The stars begin to appear, one by one, twinkling softly in the night sky. The moon is just beginning to rise, its soft, silvery light reflecting off the surface of the river, turning it into a shimmering, glowing ribbon of light that stretches out before you. You pause for a moment to take it all in. It looks inviting, like the perfect place to sit and let the gentle flow of the water carry you deeper into relaxation. You step into the boat, settling into the soft wooden seat. The boat begins to drift away from the shore, moving with the slow, rhythmic current of the river. As the boat glides through the water, the world around you feels even quieter, even more peaceful. You lean back and look up at the sky. The stars are shining brightly now, filling the sky with thousands of tiny lights. The moon's soft glow bathes everything in a silvery light, making the world look like a scene from a dream. The fireflies continue to dance around the boat, their soft glow blending with the moonlight, creating a magical, peaceful atmosphere. The boat moves slowly, guided by the gentle flow of the river. You feel yourself sinking deeper into relaxation. With each passing moment, as the sound of the waters lapping against the sides of the boat lulls you into a state of calm. The world around you feels still, quiet, and peaceful, as though it's waiting for you to drift into sleep. As your boat slowly glides to a stop at the river's edge, you step out onto the soft grass of a secluded meadow. This meadow feels like a hidden paradise, untouched and serene. Tall blades of grass sway gently in the evening breeze, their tips glowing in the soft light of the rising moon. The air is fragrant with the smell of blooming wildflowers, a blend of lavender, jasmine, and honeysuckle that instantly soothes your senses. The meadow feels alive, but in the most peaceful way. You can hear the gentle hum of crickets singing their nighttime lullaby. Occasionally, the soft croak of a frog joins the symphony, creating a harmonious soundtrack to the evening's stillness. Overhead, the sky is a deep velvet blue, sprinkled with countless stars twinkling brightly like diamonds in the sky. The moon, now fully risen, bathes everything in a silver glow, making the meadow shimmer like a dream. As you walk, you notice a soft, inviting patch of moss nestled among the tall grasses. It looks like the perfect place to rest. The moss is so thick and plush that it feels like lying on a cloud, and you sink into its softness, letting your body relax completely. You lie on your back, gazing up at the star-filled sky. The stars seem closer here, like you could reach out and touch them. They flicker gently, guiding your thought into a peaceful rhythm. The wind picks up slightly, carrying the scent of the river and the wildflowers through the air. The breeze is cool and gentle, caressing your skin as you lie in perfect stillness. The sound of the river is still within earshot, its gentle babbling harmonizing with the quiet hum of the meadow. The meadow seems to wrap itself around you like a soft blanket, making you feel secure, peaceful, and ready for rest. Your eyelids feel heavy as the stars above continue to twinkle softly, and your breathing slows. The warmth of the earth beneath you, combined with the cool breeze and the scent of wildflowers, creates the perfect setting for relaxation. It feels as though the entire world has slowed down, quieting itself just for you, offering this peaceful moment to help you drift away. As you lie there, you can feel yourself becoming one with the peaceful surroundings. The meadow, the stars, the river all seem to blend together, creating a cocoon of tranquility around you. It's as if the meadow itself is cradling you, gently rocking you into a deep, restful sleep. Your body feels lighter with every passing moment, as though you're floating, weightless and free. You take one final deep breath, filling your lungs with the cool, fragrant air, and then slowly exhale, feeling every last bit of tension leave your body. The stars above blink softly in approval, as if they too are drifting into sleep. The fireflies dance lazily around you, their soft glow fading into the night as the world becomes quieter and more still. Your thoughts slow, your body relaxes completely, and you begin to drift off, leaving the waking world behind. As you drift closer to the edge of sleep, the soft sounds of the river begin to fill your mind. It's as though the gentle current is calling to you, inviting you to let go and float away on its peaceful waters. You imagine yourself standing at the riverbank once more, watching as the moon's light reflects off the surface of the water, creating a shimmering path that stretches into the distance. The water is like liquid glass, smooth and undisturbed, except for the gentle ripples created by the boat's movement. The stars above are reflected in the water, making it seem as though you're floating through a river of stars. The fireflies, ever present, continue to dance around the boat, their soft glow blending with the moonlight to create a magical, dreamlike scene. You feel yourself sinking deeper into relaxation as the boat carries you further down the river. The sound of the water lapping softly against the sides of the boat is rhythmic and soothing, like a lullaby sung by the river itself. The gentle rocking motion of the boat makes you feel weightless, as though you're floating on air. The night is calm, with only the soft rustling of leaves and the occasional splash of a fish breaking the stillness. The world around you is silent, except for the river's soft song. The stars continue to shine brightly above, their light growing fainter as the boat carries you deeper into the heart of the river. As you float along, you feel your thoughts begin to drift. The concerns of the day seem distant, as though they belong to another world, far away from this peaceful river. Here there is only calm, only stillness. The boat feels like a cradle, rocking you gently as you begin to sink deeper into sleep. The boat continues its journey down the river, but you're barely aware of it now. Your eyes are closed, your breathing slow and steady, and your body completely relaxed. The soft sounds of the river and the distant calls of the night birds create a perfect atmosphere for sleep. It feels as though the boat is carrying you to a place where dreams are born, a place where you can let go and drift into the deepest, most restful sleep. You are completely at peace, completely relaxed, and ready for sleep. The journey down the river has brought you to a place of deep rest, where you can let go and drift into a peaceful, uninterrupted sleep. As the boat continues to float down the river of dreams, you feel yourself finally letting go, drifting into the world of sleep, where peace and calm await you. As the boat gently drifts down the river, the world fades into a peaceful calm. The sounds of the water and the breeze grow distant, leaving you wrapped in serenity. Your body is completely relaxed, your mind quiet and at ease. With a final deep breath, you let go, sinking deeper into restful sleep. The river carries you into the night where dreams and peace await. Good night and sweet dreams.